the beautiful and spacious living and dining area and the beautiful cabinets that they have made. It's your beautiful master bedroom. So once you enter again, you can check out the bed. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Pallavaram Garden, which is located in Pallavaram, Chennai, a project by Prestige Group. And today we are here to check out that 3 BHK large sample flat. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing just out of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the information of the project and about the land parcel. It's just beside the marketing office itself. Now about the land parcel we'll be talking later on. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. Now let me tell you, this is total 21.84 acres of land parcel with total 13 towers with 2 basement ground plus 14 floors, having 2 BHK compact, 2 BHK regular, 3 BHK compact, 3 BHK regular, 3 BHK large and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part. So this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like this is the grand clubhouse with fully equipped gym, landscape garden, swimming pool, tennis court, indoor game and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located bang on Pallavaram Thuraipakam main road in Pallavaram, Chennai. So let me show you that this is the Pallavaram Thuraipakam main road, and this road over this side will take you towards Thuraipakam. And on the opposite side, that is just behind me, you can connect towards Pallavaram. Now, this is the sales office, the site of your project. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Embassy Tech Park in 100 meters of the project. Wells University of Pallavaram is 1 kilometer away. Wells Global School is 4 kilometers away. And Kaveri Upcoming Hospital is also 4 kilometers away from the project. So now this is your 3 BHK sample flat of 1743 square feet super built up area. So here the builder is providing you with the video door phone and the digital door lock for your security purpose. And here we enter with this privacy area, that is your foyer area. And once you enter, you can check out the beautiful and spacious living and dining area. So this is the part of the living area where the sofa is set, and over here the dining area. So you can check out the beautiful space, and even they have provided with a huge balcony area. So this is the huge balcony area with anti-skid tiles over here, toughened glass railing, and additionally this balcony is connected to your bedroom number 1 balcony, which we'll check further. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space and the kitchen area as well. But this side is your bedroom number 1, that is your guest bedroom. So once you enter, you can check out the space with the spacious one. Here is the bed space and the wardrobe space over here, and this bedroom is attached to the washroom as well. So this is the washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now as I mentioned that the balcony of your living area is connected to the balcony of your this bedroom, so the access is from here. So you can connect the balcony from here, this side. Now we'll be moving further towards your another bedroom. So walking through your living and dining area, here we go. So once you enter this passage area, on my right hand side is your kitchen area. So let me show you the beautiful kitchen with the parallel platforms over here and the beautiful cabinets that they have made. So this how your kitchen will look like. Additionally, the kitchen is provided with the utility area as well, which is with anti-skid tiles. Now, over here is your basin area with the common washroom. So here is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles in this washroom and CP sanitary fittings. Now about other two bedrooms. So with this side is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the space, the beautiful space with the bed space, the window behind me and the huge wardrobe space. So this was about this room. Now about the master bedroom. So before moving to master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey provides you. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour, and all these wonderful features under one roof. That is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Just register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now just follow me and here we enter towards your beautiful master bedroom. So once you enter, again you can check out the bed space, the wardrobe space. And one more best part, here is a niche area with a window. So just check out this area with a window. And the washroom just behind me over here. So this side is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now as you all know, we are in Pallavaram. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section again. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.